Termites are also known as the silent destroyer because they can inflict a tremendous amount of damage to your home without any immediate signs of an infestation. If left untreated, they can quickly damage your foundation, walls, furniture, and any other wooden structures in your home. It is vital that you know how to get rid of termites and how to get rid of them fast. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper pest control techniques to treat and protect your home from a termite infestation. This is a project that can be handled by almost any homeowner, so hiring an exterminator should not be necessary. Besides, I'm going to show you the exact same techniques and products that they would use on your home anyway, so you can follow these steps on your own and save hundreds of dollars in the process. If you find any of this information to be useful, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button on this video below and/or subscribe to my channel. This termite treatment plan is made up of 3 phases. In phase 1, we need to spot treat the existing infestation. This step is very straightforward. All you need to do is purchase the proper spray and treat the infested areas based on the labeled instructions. The thing that pest control companies don't want you to know is that you have access to the same exact products that they do. It's just a matter of knowing what to use and where to get it. I don't want to mention any specific brands in this video, but if you would like more details on which type of spray that most exterminators prefer, then just check out my termite elimination guide at www.chiptips.com/termites. I have a fantastic section in that guide that will show you exactly what to buy, how to use it, and where to get the cheapest price. The name of the game here is getting rid of termites, but we also want to save ourselves as much money as possible in the process. For phase 2, we're going to do some preventative maintenance. Make sure you keep firewood, lumber, and paper away from the foundation of your home. You also want to get rid of any tree stumps or other debris near the outside of your house. Removing plant cover and wood mulch from near the foundation will also help. Next, repair leaky faucets, water pipes, and air conditioning units. Eliminating moisture problems will go a very long way in helping to get rid of termites. Finally, the most important preventative measure is to seal all possible entry points around water lines, utility lines, and plumbing pipes. This can easily be achieved with a caulk gun from your local hardware store. For phase 3, we are going to create a barrier of protection around the outside of your home. Unless you want to dig a trench around the entire perimeter of your house and then treat the soil with an insecticide, the best way to get rid of termites is to use killing stakes. You're simply going to stick these stakes into the ground about 2 feet away from your house and then spread them apart every 5 to 10 feet to create your barrier. Again, for more information about which stakes you should be using and where to get them, just visit my termite elimination guide at chiptips.com/termites. In addition to those details, that page also has a full step-by-step guide on detecting, preventing, and getting rid of termites. There are a bunch of fantastic details in there that I just couldn't fit into this video. So if you have a few minutes, I highly recommend that you read that guide before you get started. I'd like to thank you for watching my video about how to get rid of termites, and I hope to see you again very soon.